Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to cook Thai style spring rolls. Let's begin! Add canola oil in the pan and bring to medium heat. When the pan is ready, then add garlic, cilantro root, black pepper. Saute until fragrant. Then add ground pork. Cook the pork until it's almost done. Then add seasoning. Now add oyster sauce. Add the seasoning soy sauce or light soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar. Stir some before adding mushrooms. Keep stirring. Now add the glass noodles. Stir some and move to the side. Now cook the shrimps. Then mix together. Then add the carrot. Cooking wine. Cabbage. Stirring until the cabbage is cooked. Now the filling is ready. Remove to a bowl and let it cool. Now it's time to wrap. Crack the egg for wrapping. Cut the spring roll cheese in half. Grab a spring roll sheet and add the filling in the middle about 1 tablespoon. Fold at the beginning and pull backward a little bit. Apply the egg around the border and fold both sides into the middle. Then roll forward to the end and apply egg to seal. Make sure that both sides is closed so the filling does not fall out. Let's try a couple more times. It will get easier with practice. This recipe can make about 50 rolls. Making spring rolls at home can be a fun activity to spend time with family. Now we're gonna fry the spring roll in canola oil at medium to high heat. Stirring some time until it turns to the light brown, then remove from the pan. Now it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video. See you again next time. I'm gonna show you how to cook both noodles. Cooking is fun.